In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable SSL on Squarespace. SSL stands for Secure Sockets Layer, and it's crucial for ensuring that your website is secure and that any data transmitted between the web server and browser remains encrypted and private. This is not just important for your peace of mind, but also for your site visitors, as it protects them from potential threats and improves your site's credibility and search engine ranking. So let's dive right into how you can activate SSL on your Squarespace site. First things first, head over to the Squarespace website. You can do this by typing squarespace.com into your browser's address bar. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Look for the login button, usually found in the top right corner of the Squarespace homepage, and give it a click. Squarespace offers a few different methods for logging in, but for a seamless experience, we recommend using the Continue with Google option, especially if your Google account is already linked to your Squarespace site. Clicking this will bring up a list of Google accounts on your device. Simply click on the Google account you wish to use. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be taken to your Squarespace account dashboard. Here you want to navigate to your specific website if you have more than one. Look for a thumbnail or a link that represents your website and click on it. This action will take you to the backend of your Squarespace site. Now that you're in the backend of your website, it's time to locate the Settings menu. This is usually found on the left-hand sidebar. Clicking on Settings will unveil a host of options, but the one we're interested in today is Developer Tools. Find and click on Developer Tools to proceed. Within the Developer Tools section, we're looking for the SSL option. Squarespace has done a great job of making this step straightforward. Once you click on SSL, Squarespace will present you with a few options regarding how you wish to implement SSL on your site. For the majority of users, the Secure Preferred option will be the best choice. This option ensures that your website is always served over HTTPS, providing a secure connection for all visitors. Go ahead and click on Secure Preferred to select it. Following that, for those who want to enhance their site's security further, consider enabling HSTS. HSTS stands for HTTP Strict Transport Security, which is a web security policy mechanism that helps to protect websites against man-in-the-middle attacks such as protocol downgrade attacks and cookie hijacking. If you decide it's right for you, click on the HSTS Secure option to enable it. However, bear in mind that this is recommended for more advanced users who understand the implications of HSTS policies on website accessibility and SEO. Lastly, after selecting your preferred SSL settings, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually located at the top or bottom right of the screen, and click on it to ensure all your changes are applied and permanent. And that's it. You've successfully enabled SSL on your Squarespace site, making it more secure for you and your visitors. Remember, maintaining the security of your website is an ongoing process, so make sure to keep your site and its security measures up to date. Thank you for following along and see you in the next tutorial.